Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into Runway ML API. So Runway offers a platform for running and integrating machine learning models into creative workflows like from image and video generations to fine-tuning and deployment. So if you're looking to use the Runway ML API, so here's how you can do it. So Runway provides the REST API for accessing models like Gen 2 and video to video transformations and more. So you can use this for video generations, image generations, model training, and many more. Okay, but how do you get this API? It's pretty simple. So first you need to go to your the official website of Runway ML, and once you're on the official website here, you can either click on these get started to sign up an account. So you need to create an account. So click on get started and then create an account. You can sign up using your email address or your Google or Apple credentials, doesn't matter. So you just have to create one account. So just do that. And once you've created an account, so once you have signed up already and you're logged in, so to access to get the API access, all you have to do is go to your dashboard here. So click on dashboard. So click on your account. So go to your account settings here. And from here, if you click on your account on your top right here, you'll see there is a Runway API option here, link here. So click on it and then take to Runway API. And here you'll be able to create and access your APIs. Okay, so simply click on login and then just you'll have access to your API here through here. So you just have to log in again using your same credentials or whatever that you have used to log in Runway. So just do that, and once you have logged in, then you will have access to all these API, and you can generate the API keys which you can simply use to create any image generations or video or image and all those things. So you can simply just go through the process and you'll be able to create it, and then you can use the API key. So hope this information video helps.